Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Windows 11 using automatic repair. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For the first step, we need to get to the advanced recovery screen. I will show you two ways to do this. Head over to search and type reset this PC, click on it and next advanced startup. Click restart now. Then confirm by clicking restart now again. This will take you to the recovery screen. The second method is to turn off your computer using the power button, turn it back on, then immediately turn it off again. Repeat this process 3 times, ensure you turn it off quickly after powering it on. After the third attempt, you will see a message saying your PC did not start correctly. Click on Advanced Options and it will take you to this recovery screen. Once you're on the recovery screen, here are a few methods to try. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and select Startup Repair. This will diagnose your PC and attempt to fix any startup issues automatically. After that, your PC will be fixed and turned on again. This is for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.